Hey, what is up, everybody? I am Jason, and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. So in this video, we're going to be talking about amusement park stocks because, well, they're also taking a beating like everybody else is right now. So the stocks that we're pretty much going to be talking about are going to be Disney, ticker symbol DIS, Seaworld, ticker symbol SEAS, Six Flags, ticker symbol SIX, and Cedar Fair, ticker symbol FUN. So the first one on this list is Disney, and Disney obviously has a lot more going for itself than theme parks. Theme parks is just one of many different parts to Disney. But back in February 20th, Disney was trading for around $140 a share, and since then it has, gone down quite a bit. So let's look at Disney's balance sheet. So if you see, they have quite a bit of cash on hand. They got about $6.8 billion, which is a lot more than what these other guys have. Their total debt is $52 billion, and that's to be expected with everything that Disney has going on. I mean, over these last 15 years, they bought Marvel, Star Wars, they've expanded their parks, they've also acquired Fox, so they've just been spending money like crazy. And their income statement shows that their net income is $9.79 billion. So we'll have to wait until the second week of May, it looks like, to find out what how everything has affected Disney on their next earnings report. But to me personally, Disney stock is looking pretty attractive right now at this price. So now let's go over to Seaworld. Seaworld was doing so great. They had such a good quarter. February 14th, Seaworld was trading for a little over $36 a share. And since then, they've lost about half their value. So now if we look at Seaworld's balance sheet, they got about $40 million in cash, and their total debt is $1.68 billion. And looking at Seaworld's income statement, it's showing that their net income is about $90 million. So I wouldn't be surprised if Seaworld ends up having to take on more debt on their balance sheet here in the future if attendance gets really poor. And Seaworld should be reporting their next earnings in the first week of May. Next is Six Flags Entertainment. So Six Flags has kind of had it rough for a while now. Recently, they had to cut their dividend, and it's showing 4.74% here. That looks pretty high, and actually that is correct. That is the new dividend yield. The other one was giving out like 83 cents a quarter. Now they're giving out 25 cents a quarter, but the stock has dropped down so much, it's not a bad dividend yield. Now looking at Six Flags balance sheet, their total cash on hand is about $175 million, and their total debt is $2.5 billion. And looking at Six Flags income statement, you can see that their quarterly revenue growth was already shrinking a little bit, and their net income is $179 million. Now, luckily for Six Flags, they did cut their dividend before, this whole fiasco that's going on now happened. So that did help them, keep a little bit more money. But I wouldn't be surprised, the next time they're going to cut their dividend even more, probably completely get rid of it. That wouldn't surprise me at all. So now let's look at Cedar Fair. And if you're not familiar with who Cedar Fair is, they own a handful of amusement parks and water parks. Some of the ones that you might be familiar with is Great America, as well as Knott's Berry Farms. So back in mid-February, they're trading for around $54 a share, and now they're at $31 a share. And they are a limited partnership, and they pay a pretty hefty dividend. Currently now their dividend is yielding at 9.83%. And looking at their balance sheet, they have $182.5 million in cash and $2.19 billion in debt. And looking at their income statement, their net income is $172 million. Cedar Fair will report their next earnings the second week of May. So pretty much what is going on with these stocks is people are concerned that maybe attendance might go down, sales might go down, and these companies could lose profits. So what we'll have to wait and see that would happen is the earnings reports that will be coming up. So we'll have to wait till then. But anyways, I'm curious to know what you guys think about these stocks. Is there anything that you guys are looking at investing into? please let me know. As you guys know, I am really interested in making an investment into Disney, and I plan on doing that here soon. So as always, everybody, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video coming very soon.